Alright guys, here we are. We found the little tiny bellows. The tinier bellows. They go up to 16. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And there are 4 rows down, so that makes there be 64 bellows here that we are going to take, and we are going to oil all of them so we can hopefully reuse them and look for holes. We have some air pockets here where those other bellows, those small bellows on the bottom that sit about right here, would push air through to here. And I want to show you that. And then I think, flip this over, this has the patent. '97, so it was made in 1907, probably February 3rd, maybe. I could be wrong on that. Could be wrong on all that. But the patent dates are October 1889 through 1906, or January 1st, 1906 for the United States. So this was made between 06 and 07, it seems. I'm going to see if I can find more information on this. And it was also patented in Britain, in Germany, and in France in 2006. There you go.